Section E, start from the page number 52. Here we start the first question. Find the general index number using the following data about the price of different item for the year 2012 by taking the base year 2010. Now here they ask you to find out general index number. So here different items and you can check the unit is in one single unit is given price of 2010, which will be declared as a base year, and 2012 as a current year. So take this information in table. Here you can see the base year P0 and the current year P1. Out of the price relative formula, we'll remove the calculation. Remember, the way it is looking like, the same has to be prepared in your book for the solution and even in your exams. So here comes the current year is 120, divide with the base year 110, multiply by 100. Here we get 109.09. Next, current year 70, divide with the base year 50 into 100. Here we get 140. Next, 60, divide by 40, multiply by 100. Here the answer is 150. 90, divide by 80 into 100. Here we get 112.5. 20, divide by 20 into 100. The answer is 100. Here the sum total of this column, we get 611.59. Now let's take into the formula of general index number, that is 611.59. The general index number, to finding general index number, take the price of all the units of all the items. After taking it, find out how many units we have, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Divide with the 5. You will get answer 122.318. The same question we have solved in exercise 1.1. This 31 it is 8 number, so here we'll declare as a 32. Take only the 2 digit. Next question. Compute the index number for the year 2015 with the base year 2010 by the method of total expenditure using the following data. Remember the formula of total expenditure. Whatever information is given, it will change by them. If you can see here, price of 2010 and price of 2015 is given and quantity of 2010. So obviously this 2010 will be the base year. So here P0 and this is Q0, and price of 2015 will be declared as a P1. Now here out of this two things, here Q0 is given. So as per the formula of total expenditure, we are going to continue with the Lesper's formula. So let's take all the information. Here my table is ready with the price 2010, 15 and quantity of 2010. Here price of 2010 declared as a P0, price of 2015 as a P1 and quantity of 2010 as a Q0. Here you can see the formula. Remember the Lesper's formula, as in the information it is given Q0. So let's take the calculation out. Get the multiplication of P1 and Q0, means here the P1 and here the Q0. These two column will get multiplied. 14 multiplied by 8. Here we get 112. 42 multiplied by 4. 168. 18 multiplied by 4, that is 320. 26 multiplied by 16, that is 416, and here the total we get 1016, which will put on into the formula 1016. Next is P0 Q0, means these two columns are going to multiply. 10 into 8, that is 80. 30 into 4, that is 120. 40 into 4, 160. 20 into 16, that is 320. Here we get the total 680. Take over here 680 into 100. Remove the calculation of this. You will get, remember to get it, divide this 2 first and then multiply with 100. You will get 149.41. Moving to the next. Question number 3. Compute the index number by the method of total expenditure for the year 2014 by taking the base year 2013 using the following data. As here you can see, there are the 4 items are given, and in the year 2014, where we can say it's a Q1 and price is a P1, because 2013 is less than 2014, so this will be the P0, the base year. So out of this question here, they told you to find out index number by the method of total expenditure. So let's take all the information in table. Here I already took the items, quantity, price, and price of 2013. So quantity of 2014, declare it as a Q1, price of 2014 as a P1, and price of 2013 make it as a base year by P0. So out of this information here, index number of total expenditure, here I kept P1 Q1, because remember the total expenditure formula depend on the information given in question. As in this question they have given information of Q1, so here we'll take sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1. That's similar to the Paschal's formula. So let's start with, as per the formula, here I wrote P1 Q1 and another column for the P0 Q1. So for getting P1 Q1, we'll get multiply P1's column with the Q1 column. That is 15 multiplied by 24. Here we get 360. 10 multiplied by 45, 450. 5 multiplied by 20, that's 100. 3 multiplied by 90, that's 270. Next is P0 Q1, where we'll get multiply this P0 column with Q1. That is 20 multiplied by 15. Here we get 300. 450 multiplied by 10. 40 multiplied by 10. Here comes 400. 16 multiplied by 5. That's 80. 18 multiplied by 3. That is 240. And let's take the total out, both the column. Here comes 1180 and here 1020. Just take the information in formula. 1180 and 1020 multiplied by 100, and here we get 115.69. Moving to the next question. Question number 4. Use the following information to find one fixed base index number with the year 2008 as the base year, and the second one, the index number by taking the average price of the year 2008 and 9 as the base year price, the same which we have learned in the exercise 1.1. So out of this, let's take all the information in the book. Here I wrote the year and price. First they told you to find out fixed base index number. So for this we need a current year price and base year price. As per the question, base year is 2008, means we are going to take again 32 only. So as per the formula, remember to write down the formula, and as it is shown, the same has to be solved in your book as well as in your exam. Current year price, here we can see 32 divide by base year price. Now as per the question, base year is again 32 multiply by 100, means this 2 will cut and the answer will be 100. Next, current year, that is 38, and the base year will always remain 32. So here we get 118.72. Next, current year 40 and the base year 32 into 100, and here we get 125. Current year 42 divided by base year multiply by 100 and continue with the remaining information. Here I complete the fixed base index number. The second information in the question has been asked is to find out by taking the base of average price, and for average we have to take year 2008 and 9 as the base year. Here you can see the for average price, as per the question they told you to take 2008 plus 2009. Here you can see the price of 2008 is 32 and price of 2009 is 38. Just add them, and as in the question 2 years are given, so divide by 2. It's depend on the information given in the question. अगर आपको 2 से ज़्यादा साल दिए हो तो here you have to increase the number as per the information given in the question. So here I add up 32 plus 38, divide by 2, and I got the average price 35, which will be remain 35 in each and every year as an average. So let's start. For the current year price, current year is 32 and average price just now we found, that is 35 into 100. Here we get 91.43. Next, current year is 38 and average price 35 into 100, 108.57. Again take current year 40, average 35 into 100, 114.29. The remaining I will continue. I complete the calculation for the remaining year. Question number 5. The index number of different group of industrial output of a city and the weight of this group are given below. Find the index number of industrial production. Here you can see the group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 information is given. On that index number is given and even the weight is given. So as per this information, here we are going to find out general index, weighted index number. So take all the information in table. Here you can see I just remove the information given in the question, that is group, index number and weight. For finding weighted index number, obviously first we have to multiply index number with weight, so we get IW. So here we'll multiply 390.2 multiply by 30. Here we get 11706.0. Next 247.6 multiply by 31. Here we get 7675.6. 510.2 multiply by 18, 9183.6. 403.3 multiply by 17. Here we get 6856.1. 324.4 multiply by 4, that is 2497.6. Get the total, that is 37918.9, and also take the total of weight, that is 100. Now just take the information in formula to find out weighted index number. 37918.9 divide by 100. Here we get the answer 379.19. Question number 6 in section E. The price of wheat increased by 70% and the price of rice increased by 40% in the year 2015. With respect to the year 2010, the price of bajri decreased by 25% and the price of oil increased by 40% and the price of ghee decreased by 5%. If the importance of the oil is 3 times and of rice is double that of ghee, and the importance of each of the wheat and bajri is double that of rice, find the price index number of the group of these 5 items and interpret it. So check the information properly. Here they are talking about the percentage increased or decreased. Means take the information, first mark how many product we have, that is wheat, rice, bajri, oil and ghee. First take them into the table with the columns of item. Then take what is the percentage has been increased or decreased. Here we can see the wheat increased by 70%. So next column make it by plus 70%, that is increased. Next is rice increased by 40%. At the column in the row of rice, make it increase of 40%. Next is bajri decreased by 25%. So keep minus 25% reduction. Oil increased by 40%. So keep plus 40%. And the price of ghee decreased by 5%. So here we'll keep minus 5%, which is going to be reduced. Now these percentage changes will be done with the 100%. So if I made a changes 100 plus 70, that is 170 index number we get for the wheat. Next, for the increase in 40% means 100 plus increase in 40% we get 140%. Now reduction in 25% means minus with 100, 25%. Here we get index number of bajri will be 75%. Next, increase in 40% of oil, that is 100 plus 40% increase, that is 140. And ghee reduced by 5% means 100 minus 5% means ghee value becomes 95. That's we found the index number. And as per the information given in the question for the weight, that is if the importance, that is weight, of oil is 3 times and of rice double that of ghee, मतलब घी का वैल्यू 1 होगा, राइस डबल है तो 2 होगा, और ऑयल का 3 टाइम्स है तो 3 होगा. सो फर्स्ट लेट वी टेक फॉर घी. हियर विल डिक्लेयर घी एज अ 1, rice is double of ghee, that is 2, and oil was 3 times important. So this is how the weight has to be given. Next, the importance of each of wheat and bajri is double that of rice. First check that what is the value of rice. The importance of rice is 2, and if I make the double of 2 it would be 4. 2 का double 4 हो जाएगा, right? तो wheat में 4 and bajri have to make it 4. So this is how you have to find out the weight. After getting weight and the index number, get them multiplied to find out IW. Multiply by 4, that is 680. 140 multiplied by 2, 280. 75 multiplied by 4, that is 300. 140 multiplied by 3, 420. 95 multiplied by 1, that is 95. Now let's take the total of both. For weight, total of weight is 14 and total of IW is 1775. Take them into the formula, that is 1775 divided by 14, and here we get 126.79. And here in the question it is also told to interpret it. So just take 126.79 minus 100 means 26.79% increase in current year as compared to base year. That's it. Moving to the next question. Question number 7. Calculate the real wage of the worker class from the following data about their monthly wages. Find the purchasing power of the money in the year 2015 considering the year 2008 as a base year. So here we can see in the question information related to the year is given, monthly wage and cost of index number is given. Remember the formula of real wage, that is average monthly wage divided by cost of index number multiplied by 100. So first take all the information in table. Here I took all the information in table. First write down the year, monthly wages, cost of living index number. So just we have to put on the value in the formula. Remember to write down the formula in such table. If you didn't wrote, you will get a minus half for this. So first take the monthly wages 15,000, cost of living index number, that is 120, multiply by 100. Here we get 12500, that is 12,500. Next 18,000 divide by 180 multiply by 100. Here we get 10,000. 19,000 divide by 205 multiply by 100. Here we get 9268.29. to 20,000 divide by 220 into 100. Here we get 909091. 22,000 divide by 235 into 100. Here we get 9361.70. 25,000 divided by 260 into 100. The answer is 9615.38. After finding real wage in the question number 7, it's also asked to find a purchase power of money in the year 2015. Now the formula of purchasing power of money is 1 divided by cost of index number multiplied by 100. Now purchase power of money in the year 2015. The cost of index number for the year 2015 is 260. So for this, keep 1 as in the question. It specifically asks for the year 2015. So here the cost of index number for the year 2015 takes 260 and multiply by 100. 1 divided by 260, here we get 0.0038 and get it multiplied by 100. Here we get the answer 0.38. Here we complete our section E. Moving to the next section F.